Hi, I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapti and it's so good to have you here. Today I'm going to talk about affordable skincare products that actually work. So let's start. First I have the Calm Soothing Serum from Biocule. It has ingredients like cica, bisabolol, aloe vera. It is so soothing and calming. It is quite lightweight. You can use this every day. I'm loving this for my skin because it feels so good on the skin and gives this glow while hydrating the skin, and it also soothes so beautifully and gently. It also has ingredients like green tea, licorice, rose water, panthenol, then rosemary to soothe, calm, hydrate and brighten the skin. It reduces skin redness, balances skin pH. This is a fragrance-free formulation, feels so lightweight. It doesn't feel tacky upon application and can work for all skin types and perfect for Indian weather. It is not too heavy, just feels so perfect upon application. And next I have Biocule, the Calm Soothing Serum, which is also perfect for every day. It is so hydrating and calming. It has soothing ingredients like cica, bisabolol, green tea, aloe vera, rosemary. It also has licorice that brightens up the skin. The texture of this serum is like water gel that feels really light and hydrating. It is also a fragrance-free formulation and can work for all skin types, including sensitive skin. If you are looking for a serum that hydrates and soothes your skin, then you're gonna love this one. Now I have 2% salicylic acid mask from the Derma. It is very good if you have breakouts, textures. It has BHA and it doesn't feel drying, which I really appreciate. It sprays easily. You keep this on for 10 to 15 minutes, then you wash it off. I apply this once or twice in a week. It does a very good job. It has 2% salicylic acid that works on acne, blackheads, it exfoliates, and it also has kaolin clay, then activated charcoal. But if you're pregnant, then do not use this because it has salicylic acid, and do not overdo it. Don't use this every day. Use it once or twice in a week. And yeah, since it's exfoliating, so make sure you're using a sunscreen properly because exfoliations can make your skin extra photosensitive. If you're looking for a good lightweight sweet scented body milk, then go for this one. This is from Boho Botanist, their Peony Rosehip body milk. This is so lightweight, absorbs so quickly. This body milk is for someone who is looking for extremely lightweight body lotion that absorbs really quickly. Those who don't like, heavy body lotions, and if you want a sweet smelling body lotion, this is it. It has this very beautiful scent. Love this. But if you're looking for something more nourishing and fragrance free for your body, then go for this one. This is from Lotion, their barrier repair hyaluronic body lotion. This is a very good body lotion. This is more nourishing than Boho Botanist and fragrance free if you're looking for that. This is for someone who is looking for a fragrance-free body lotion. They want rich formulation for their dry skin. It has humectants, glycerin, shea butter, then ceramides to nourish your skin, and you have very good formulation. I also like their moisturizer and cleanser from this barrier repair line. So yeah, that's all for now. I really hope you found this to be helpful. Thank you so much for being there. I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.